Ever wonder about the rise of Bitcoin and its impact on the world of finance? To appreciate the enormity of its influence, it's crucial to delve into its origins. Bitcoin, a term that's become almost synonymous with digital currency, emerged from the shadows in 2009. The brainchild of a person or perhaps a group of people known only by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The creation of Bitcoin was the dawn of a new era, a twist in the tale of financial history. No one knew who Nakamoto was or is. A Japanese name, yes, but beyond that, the creator's identity remains shrouded in mystery. This enigma adds a certain charm to Bitcoin's story, a cryptic allure that mirrors the complex technology behind it. Bitcoin is not just a currency, it's a revolution in digital form. It's a decentralized system, free from the control of any government, bank, or institution, offering a promise of transparency, security, and freedom that traditional monetary systems fail to deliver. It's built on an innovative technology called blockchain, a public ledger containing all transaction data from anyone who uses Bitcoin. But let's circle back to the enigma that is Satoshi Nakamoto. Despite numerous attempts to unveil Nakamoto's true identity, the creator of Bitcoin remains unknown. This mystery adds to the intrigue surrounding Bitcoin. Who is Nakamoto? Why remain anonymous? Questions abound, but the answers are as elusive as the creator. In the grand scheme of things, perhaps it's not who created Bitcoin that matters, but rather what Bitcoin has become. A formidable force in the financial world, a beacon of innovation, and a testament to the power of decentralization and the potential of blockchain technology. It's clear that Bitcoin's birth is as intriguing as its current-day influence. So how did this enigmatic digital currency skyrocket to the top? Well, let's take a trip down memory lane to Bitcoin's humble beginnings. Back in 2009, Bitcoin was a mere whisper in the vast digital landscape. It was worth virtually nothing. Yes, you heard it right. Bitcoins were just a few pennies on the dollar. But every great story has its turning point. For Bitcoin, it was a seemingly mundane event. In May 2010, Bitcoin was used for the first time in a real-world transaction. A programmer in Florida exchanged 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. At that time, those Bitcoins were worth about $30. Today, those very same Bitcoins would be worth millions. From that point on, Bitcoin began to gain traction. Its value started to rise, slowly but surely. But it wasn't until 2011 that Bitcoin experienced its first major price surge. This was due to an increased interest in the cryptocurrency, partly because of its being featured in several mainstream media outlets. But what truly catapulted Bitcoin into the spotlight was its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by central banks, Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network. This means that no single entity has control over it. This unique feature attracted a lot of attention, and the value of Bitcoin started to rise exponentially. Fast forward to today, Bitcoin has become a household name. It has captivated the attention of investors worldwide, disrupting traditional financial systems. Its innovative technology and decentralized nature have proven to be a game changer, reshaping the landscape of digital finance. From obscurity to a global phenomenon, Bitcoin's ascent is nothing short of spectacular. It stands as a testament to the power of innovation and the potential of decentralized systems. But this is only the beginning. As we move forward, we can only expect to see more from this digital currency titan. But what makes Bitcoin so special, you might ask? Well, the secret sauce lies in its foundational technology known as the blockchain, a term you've probably heard tossed around in tech and finance circles alike. To break it down simply, imagine a ledger, a record-keeping book that's been used for centuries. Now, digitize that ledger and imagine it spread across countless computers worldwide, simultaneously updating with each transaction. That's blockchain for you. This digital ledger's beauty is its transparency. Every Bitcoin transaction ever made is recorded on this blockchain, visible for anyone to see. No more hidden transactions or shadowy deals. It's all out in the open, fostering a level of honesty that's truly revolutionary. However, transparency isn't the only thing blockchain brings to the table. It's also incredibly secure. Each transaction is stored in a block, and these blocks are linked, hence the name, forming a chain. To alter a transaction, a hacker would need to change the information in the block, and every single block that comes after it, across every copy of the blockchain around the world. This Herculean task is virtually impossible, making Bitcoin's blockchain one of the most secure systems in existence. Then there's the aspect of decentralization. Unlike traditional financial systems controlled by central banks or governments, blockchain is decentralized. This means no single entity has control over it. It's a financial democracy where power is evenly distributed. All of this, transparency, security, and decentralization, make Bitcoin so compelling. It's not just a digital currency, it's a whole new way of thinking about finance and transactions. It's a system where you have control, where honesty is baked into the process, and where security is paramount. Blockchain technology is the backbone of Bitcoin, making it a force to be reckoned with in the financial world. It's no wonder then that Bitcoin has surged to the forefront of the crypto conversation and captivated the attention of investors worldwide. So, how exactly does Bitcoin fit into the world of finance? Well, it's not just a matter of fitting in. Bitcoin has been shaking up the financial world in ways we could hardly imagine a decade ago. Bitcoin's unique proposition lies in its decentralized nature, which challenges the traditional banking systems that have long been the backbone of global finance. It's like a misfit who's not just content with joining the party, but insists on rewriting the rules of the game. For centuries, banks have been the custodians of money. They safeguard our savings, make loans, and essentially control the flow of money. But Bitcoin, with its peer-to-peer technology, allows people to transfer value directly to each other without the need for a central authority. It's like everyone having their own personal bank, accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This fundamental shift has rattled the foundations of banking. It has forced traditional financial institutions to rethink their role and adapt to a world where they may not be the sole gatekeepers of finance. Some banks have embraced the change, exploring ways to integrate blockchain technology into their existing systems, while others view it as a threat to their very existence. But Bitcoin's influence goes beyond just banking. It has inspired the creation of thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with their own unique features and uses. It has sparked discussions about the future of money, leading some to believe we're on the brink of a financial revolution. And yet, despite its tremendous impact, Bitcoin remains a mystery to many. Its volatile price, the complexity of its underlying technology, and its potential for disruption make it a controversial and often misunderstood player in the world of finance. But one thing is clear: Bitcoin is not just a new player in the financial world. It's a game changer. It's forcing us to question long-held beliefs about money, challenging established institutions, and paving the way for a new era of digital finance. Whether we're ready or not, the Bitcoin revolution is here. Bitcoin is not just a new player in the financial world, it's a game changer. What does this mean for you, the investor? In the realm of investment, Bitcoin has emerged as a new frontier, a digital gold rush, if you will. The growing trend of investing in Bitcoin is a testament to its potential, and it's not just the tech-savvy millennials who are hopping on the bandwagon. Seasoned investors, hedge fund managers, and even institutions are now taking notice of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. In the grand scheme of things, Bitcoin is relatively young, but it's already made quite a splash. Its unprecedented returns have made headlines around the world, and it's hard to ignore the allure of such potential rewards. In 2023, for instance, Bitcoin saw an increase in value of over 300%. That's a return on investment that traditional markets can rarely, if ever, match. But of course, with great potential comes great risk. Bitcoin is notoriously volatile, with prices fluctuating wildly in short periods. It's not for the faint of heart, and it's certainly not for those unwilling to lose their investment. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, and it's crucial to understand this before diving in. Moreover, investing in Bitcoin is not just about buying low and selling high. It's about believing in the technology, the decentralization, and the potential for a more inclusive financial system. It's about being part of a revolution, a shift away from traditional financial systems and into a new era of digital finance. There's also the fact that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general are finite. There's a limited supply, and this scarcity can drive up value, much like gold. This is a key factor that many investors consider when adding Bitcoin to their portfolios. So, whether you're a seasoned investor looking to diversify your portfolio, or a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of crypto, Bitcoin offers a unique opportunity. It's not without its challenges, but the potential rewards are hard to ignore. Bitcoin's influence on investment strategies is undeniable. So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? A question that echoes in the minds of many as we venture deeper into the digital age. The answer, however, is as complex as the technology behind this digital currency. Looking ahead, we can anticipate a future where Bitcoin continues to embed itself in the global economy. As more businesses, big and small, begin to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, we can expect its influence to grow. This widespread adoption not only legitimizes Bitcoin, but also propels it into the mainstream, opening the door for future developments. In addition to this, technological advancements are likely to play a pivotal role in shaping Bitcoin's future. As the technology matures, we might witness new applications and uses for Bitcoin that extend beyond its current role as a digital currency. For instance, the integration of Bitcoin with emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things could unlock a whole new realm of possibilities. However, the road to the future is not without its challenges. Regulatory hurdles stand as one of the most significant obstacles Bitcoin will need to overcome. As governments worldwide grapple with the idea of a decentralized currency, we can expect a push for more regulation and oversight. This could potentially impact Bitcoin's growth, but it could also bring more stability and security to the cryptocurrency market. Nonetheless, these challenges present opportunities for growth and innovation. As Bitcoin navigates these waters, it's bound to evolve, adapt, and influence the world in ways we can't even imagine yet. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious onlooker, keeping a keen eye on Bitcoin's evolution is certainly advisable. It's a dynamic, ever-changing landscape that offers a unique blend of risks and rewards, making it a fascinating subject for anyone interested in the future of finance. The future of Bitcoin is as exciting as it is unpredictable. One thing is for sure, it's a journey worth watching. So there we have it, the rise and impact of Bitcoin. We've traced its journey from a digital enigma to a dominant force in the world of finance. Its meteoric rise to stardom has been nothing short of spectacular, capturing the attention of investors across the globe. Bitcoin's power lies in its groundbreaking blockchain technology, a decentralized system that has revolutionized traditional monetary systems. This digital titan has not only influenced investment strategies, but has also set the stage for a financial future that we could only dream of a few years ago. As we look forward, the potential of Bitcoin seems limitless. It's more than just a cryptocurrency, it's a technological marvel, a financial disruptor, and a beacon of innovation. So as we navigate this digital age, let's keep our minds open to the possibilities that Bitcoin presents. Stay curious, stay informed, and who knows, you might just catch the next wave of the Bitcoin revolution.